personally, the hit that I've been waiting for, and it's such a blasting hit. Dishoom has been amazing. So I'm going to start off with asking the gentleman one question. Right now, 47 crores, numbers don't matter. Numbers don't matter. But how does it feel to stand on the stage and throw this party with your friends from the media? Let's have it from you.
No, it feels amazing. I think we started the journey with all these people when we did the trailer launch, and everyone who's important is over here. The entire Eros team, the entire marketing team, I think we've all been through a lot together and we've pulled it off eventually. Sajid sir is here, Rohit is here, who's very important, and John is here. But the most important person, John, is Bradman, I think, who was refusing to leave the stage because actually hero वही है. Picture में भी उसी ने विराट शर्मा को बचाया था, तो hero Bradman ही है.
Woo! Give it up for the wonderful Varun for right now. And of course, John, I remember you taking up a challenge at a radio station once where I asked you to lift me and you guessed my weight correctly. Of course, the weight's grown now, so I'm not going to ask you to lift me, but some amazing stunts. Let me just say that you've looked fantastic and you've really given this movie all your best. Do you want to tell us what making Dishoom felt like, right from the start to now?
Well, it felt fantastic. Varun and me, I've always mentioned before the release that our chemistry is beautiful in the film, and we hope that we can go on and on and on this because we really get along genuinely off the screen, and I think that's very important. And we've got actually 2 more heroes in this film who are here. And first of all, congratulations to Eros. You know, they've really pushed me especially to market the film, and
Absolutely.
and also to all the media in general, barring a few dimwits, but all the media in general, you'll have been absolutely fantastic and very supportive. And very important, 2 very important people here who we'd like to call on stage. The producer of the film, Sajid Nadiadwala, and the director of the film, Rohit Dhawan, because Varun and me have been going everywhere and fronting this whole thing. I think today is the day we actually call the people who are responsible for making this film happen. And I think they're discussing their next film, so they're not here yet.
I believe कि sequel की बात already चल रही है, and that happens with most successful
But you can
franchises.
ask,
Big hand of applause
Let's
for
ask
them.
them. Give it up
Sajid
for
and
Heroes
Sajid
of the show, guys.
Nadiadwala and the man of the day today. That is, of course, Rohit Dhawan. Welcome to the stage.
Also, can we have Nandu on stage as well from Eros, who's been giving us all the good news every day.
Mr. Nandu Ahuja, the man with the numbers, representing Eros India distribution head.
The best news we've heard right now is the film's, in fact, holding so well on Wednesday, and it's going to go up a bit on Thursday. And the surprise we'd like to give all you people here, which we didn't mention, is this Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Varun and me are going to be at some of the theaters all across the country, very close to you, and we're going to surprise you. So for all the people who are going to go and watch Dishoom, they're going to have a surprise and see Varun and me in the theaters. And I'm sure Varun's going to be very happy doing that. So we really want you to go out and see the film this Friday, Saturday, Sunday, because it's going to be really special.
So the
That's
plan is that
amazing.
we'll just get into the theater and come and sit down near someone.
If there is an empty seat,
Just
suppose,
if there is,
then you sit.
eat some popcorn from someone.
Eat some,
Okay.
no popcorn. Huh?
Okay,
Just
no
sit,
popcorns
yeah.
allowed.
You guys should do a radio show together, I'm telling you. It's like with these guys, who needs a host in a short dress? But anyway, let's just think of that for a second. I said, Jacqueline's not here, somebody has to wear the dress, so that's why I'm here. But Sajid, I need to congratulate you for something that I've been noticing as a pattern. You're like the golden man, because you had Baggy, then you had Houseful, and now you've got this show, man. What's going on? Tell me, what is the secret formula?
It's great to have a fantastic team, and my company is what my team is made of. I had some great actors, some great directors, great studios backing me, great luck of mine, great family pushing me through. And it's great to, again, repeat 2014 where we had 4 hits in a row, and 2016, 3 again. Thank you, Rohit, and thank you, Varun, John, and the team of
Thank
Eros.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sajid. Thank you so much. Actually, the man with the numbers, I need to talk to you at this point. That's Nandu. Hi, Nandu. So nice to have to talk to you at this point. I believe that any film success तो हो जाती है लेकिन कहते हैं कि in spite of the rains, is there something you'd like to share with us कि बारिश के मौसम में जब डिशूम होता है तो how big is success is that?
See, despite the rains which we had over the weekend, it's been really bad all over the country. Places in Gurgaon and Bangalore were even shut on Saturday, completely shut right till 5 in the evening. There have been floods all over the country. We've had an excellent weekend. The numbers have been huge. And then the people who have not seen the film over the weekend, the audiences have supported the film in such a big way that all those numbers are spilled over to Monday, Tuesday, and even as we talk today, the numbers for today are very nice.
That's true. Congratulations for that. A big hand for the numbers, in spite the rains and the potholes, of course. Okay, I have a question. I don't know if the man does a lot of talking because he's always behind the camera. Excuse me, boys, I've had a little too much coffee. And Varun's kind of catching on to that. But Varun, I know this for a fact that there was an article that came where you said that आप दोनों के बीच का जो भाई भाई का रिश्ता है वो थोड़ा सा स्ट्रेन हो गया क्योंकि आप इतने प्रोफेशनल थे और ये डायरेक्टर थे और आप एक्टर थे तो ऐसी कोई दरार तो नहीं आ गई ना तुम दो भाइयों के बीच में प्लीज
No. It was an extremely healthy relationship, but the only difference was it became like an actor-director relationship rather than a brother directing a brother, because then a personal bias would kick in, and so that was the best way to judge him, as a director rather than a brother.
Correct. And I think that we need to just make sure that there is no darar. And I'm going to take the liberty to do this. Varun, we've seen you act. And we've not seen him direct except we watched the great movies that he's made. But for a second, let's switch roles. Okay, let's switch roles. Let's assume for a second that Varun Dhawan's the director on this movie, all right? Maybe it's Dishoom too. Okay, I don't know. Okay, and of course, Rohit, this is the interesting bit. You get to be the actor.
I feel what's better is let Varun direct John, because Varun has seen me directing John, so he can act like me
Like
and
you.
how I direct John
Like
on
you,
set.
all right?
Yeah.
Varun, are you up for the
I
challenge?
think that would make more sense.
No, I think we're not going to do that because the minute I start behaving like Rohit, John's going to start behaving like me. So it's not going to look very good. But let me just say that this is a very proud day for me as a younger brother, as an actor as well. Dishoom has always been a film that I'm going to be super duper proud of in my filmography. And just the way it's won people's hearts. And I don't know if I've not told you all this story, but nowadays whenever I go in the car, if I'm going anywhere for rehearsals or anything, people look at me and they're like,
Oh,
so it's
that is
become
so cool.
just through sign language. It's like it's like that's Dishoom, and then they like it, and that's the way they communicate, and that's what means the most. More than the numbers, more than anything, it's people's love and adulation. And I just want to thank the media that's over here. It's been raining, but wherever we've gone in the country, especially in Bombay, because it's Mumbai mein itna bura raha hai barish. You all have come everywhere, the photographers, the camera people, the journalists. So really appreciate that you all have helped us push this movie, honestly, guys.
That's so amazing. A big hand. I know you have cameras in your hand, but the ones who can, please give them a big hand. This is pretty amazing. All right, let me also say that Varun, लोग आपको देखकर डिशुम कर रहे हैं. लोग मुझे देखकर आजकल क्या बोल रहे हैं? तुम्हारी गाने की एक लाइन है यार कि 2 साल में होंगे तेरे बच्चे मेरे बच्चे. It's becoming a big problem, man. But what a song! What a song! जाने मन I have this fantasy that I will. Thank you. 1, 2, 3. You do the okay, I'll do the Janeman. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Janeman. That was such a damn squib. Okay. Okay. If Varun,
I'll do
if
it.
Varun does it and John does it, maybe you'll be louder. So 1, 2, 3. If you can say Janeman and they say Okay. 1, 2, 3. John. Janeman. 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 Janeman.
Okay, now we're getting too excited.
Now we're done, Janeman. Now we're done. All right, I'd like to open the floor for questions. हमारे दोस्त हैं मीडिया से जो आए हैं. I'm sure you have questions about the man bun, for example. So if you could please raise your hand if you have a question, we'd love to take them. Sir, in the yellow shirt, you look lovely. Please, सवाल पूछिए, sir.
अब पहला सवाल यही है कि फिल्म के दूसरे भाग की चर्चा हो रही है. एक आपके फैन ने उसका पोस्टर भी बनाया है, ट्वीट किया है आपको वरुण. तो मतलब आपकी पूरी टीम है जो बनाना चाहेगी भाग 2 और आप लोग काम करना चाहेंगे, तो थोड़ा सा
भाग 2 के बारे में क्या कहूँ, वो बस फैन आर्ट था. एक पोस्टर आया था इंटरनेट पे जहाँ अक्षय कुमार जी और जैकी चैन को भी जोड़ा गया था डिशुम 2 के साथ. बट आई थिंक साजिद सर एंड रोहित शुड आंसर दैट कि क्या आप डिशुम भाग 2 बनाना चाहते हैं?
You mean Dishoom? हाँ, तो वो अगर बनेगी, obviously if we find a exciting enough script and journey for Kabir and Junaid to come back to, but इतना तो जाहिर है, एक ही मतलब कम से एक हफ्ता भी नहीं हुआ अभी तक, but कबीर और जुनैद को बहुत प्यार मिला है and they're extremely iconic characters and I've got a feeling that people would welcome them back, you know, if there's another part.
रोहित,
क्योंकि
आपसे एक
क्रिकेट
सवाल है।
शुरुआत के साथ होती है, क्रिकेट के मैदान से फिल्म की शुरुआत होती है। अभी तक फिल्म को भारतीय खिलाड़ियों ने नहीं देखा है, क्योंकि वो बाहर है अभी। तो क्या उनके लिए स्क्रीनिंग आयोजित करेंगे आप कहीं जो जहाँ पर
करेक्ट, एक्चुअली बहुत इंटरेस्ट दिखाया है उन्होंने कि पूरी टीम को पिक्चर देखनी है। फिलहाल वेस्ट इंडीज़ में एंड बाय द टाइम टीम पोर्ट ऑफ स्पेन पहुंचे अगले टेस्ट के लिए, विल बी ऑर्गेनाइजिंग अ स्क्रीनिंग फॉर देम। दे ऑल वेरी वेरी एक्साइटेड अबाउट द फिल्म बिकॉज देव हर्ड दैट द क्रिकेट हैज बीन शॉट इन एन एक्सट्रीमली रियलिस्टिक मैनर एंड वी हैव डेल्ट विद द क्रिकेटर आल्सो लाइक अ सोल्जर, यू नो, वो ही इज लाइक अ मार्टर इन द फिल्म, वो देशभक्त है वो कैरेक्टर।
So what's really cool is that Mohinder Amarnath ji film में भी है and he really liked the film. He was very happy with the way the cricket was shot and the way we've shown Indian cricketer. And उन्होंने एक personal message भी भेजा रोहित को. So I think that means a lot when someone as great as him gives you a thumbs up. And जैसे कि रोहित ने कहा कि साजिद सर ऑर्गेनाइज कर रहे कि पोर्ट ऑफ स्पेन में हम लोग हमारे इंडियन टीम को शायद दिखा दे पिक्चर।
अच्छा, बारिश और बंद की
बाकियों को
वजह
भी
से-
मौका दें सर प्लीज। थैंक यू।
आपका हो गया अभी नेक्स्ट।
जी, रोहित, आपसे एक सवाल है। जो स्क्रिप्ट है उसके लिए क्रिटिक्स का मिक्स रिएक्शन था, लेकिन फिर भी क्रिकेट पर ये एक बहुत डिफरेंट फिल्म थी। तो क्या जो आपका जो सीक्वल आएगा वो भी इंटरनेशनली सिनेरियो रहेगा सब्जेक्ट वाइज?
पता नहीं मैम, फिलहाल तो कुछ आइडिया नहीं है। आपके पास इफ यू हैव एनी आइडियाज दे आर वेलकम एट दिस स्टेज, बट probably Kabir and Junaid go and find another famous person.
जैकी चैन को इंडिया ले आए हम लोग, मार देगी वो आपको। हम लोग को आपको वापस लेके आना पड़ेगा इंडिया। नहीं शायद
जॉन आपके सामने इधर आपने कई बार ये जिक्र भी किया था कि डिशूम का कई सीक्वल बनना चाहिए और कई प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंसेस में भी कहा था। तो आपको लगता है जैसे वायरएफ ने एक धूम की फ्रेंचाइजी का प्लेटफॉर्म सेट किया, उस तरह से ये भी फिल्म कर चुकी है या आपको लगता है कुछ होगा इसका?
नहीं, आई फील 100% होना चाहिए, लेकिन दैट डिपेंड्स ऑन हमारे जो प्रोड्यूसर है साजिद और हमारे जो डायरेक्टर है रोहित, उन पे ज़्यादा डिपेंड करता है। इफ़ रोहित फाइंड्स द परफेक्ट स्क्रिप्ट और मिस्टर साजिद नडियाडवाला को ग्रीन लाइट करना पड़ेगा उसको, बिकॉज ही इज़ गॉट अ कमर्शियल सेंस ऑफ क्या चलेगा क्या नहीं चलेगा। आई थिंक एज एक्टर्स वरुण और मैंने काफ़ी डिस्कस किया है। हम लोग तो अपने आप में डिस्कस करते हैं कि हमें पार्ट 2 में ये करना चाहिए वो करना चाहिए, बट वो कोई मायने नहीं रखता टिल दे फाइनलाइज। तो वी आर वेरी एक्साइटेड अबाउट डूइंग इट और मेरे हिसाब से इट शुड बिकम अ फ्रेंचाइज।
वरुण, आपसे एक सवाल है। वरुण,
हाँ जी मैम।
आप इनोसेंस और नॉटीनेस को एक साथ कैसे ब्लेंड करते हैं?
क्योंकि दिल तो बच्चा है जी।
It's like a Tinder question, but anyway, it's
अच्छा, आप
funny.
सभी से एक सवाल है। देशभक्ति की यहाँ बात हो रही तो
हाँ जी।
स्वतंत्रता दिवस भी नजदीक है, तो आप लोग इस बार क्या रेजोल्यूशन ले रहे हैं और देश के नागरिकों को कोई संदेश देना चाहते हो सभी लोग?
डोंट किडनैप क्रिकेटर्स।
August 15 बस यही कहेंगे। आई थिंक वी ऑल आर वेरी पेट्रियाटिक और एक तरीके से एक पेट्रियाटिक मैसेज भी है हमारे फिल्म में। एंड आजकल दुनिया भर में आतंकवाद को लेके बहुत चर्चा है। कोई भी देश सेफ नहीं है, बट आई थिंक अंटिल इंडियंस आर देयर हु लव देयर कंट्री, आई डोंट थिंक सो कोई भी हमारे देश का एक बाल भी बाका कर सकता है। सो आई थिंक वी हैव टू स्टार्ट बाय प्रोटेक्टिंग आवर कंट्री फ्रॉम विद इन। और कुछ भी एंटी नेशनलिस्टिक या कुछ भी हमें लगा कि कोई भी ऐसे चीज़ें हमें देखते हैं, वी शुड ट्राई एंड हम लोग पुलिस को इत्तला कर सकते हैं एंड स्टफ, बिकॉज सिक्योरिटी इज़ अ बिग कंसर्न एंड आई बिलीव इन दैट टुडे, दैट इफ यू फील एनीथिंग इज फिशी और एनीथिंग इज रॉन्ग, सो प्रिकॉशंस the way ahead, I think, to fight these things.
Varun and John, hi, I'm from Singapore and I'm here. Varun, I think I interviewed you a couple of days back for an online portal in Singapore. Yes. So, Dishum, it's a very iconic action-oriented word in Bollywood. So, you know, it's always Dishum or Dishum. Who are your icons when it comes to action heroes or action in Bollywood? Who do you really look up to? Like, I want to do Dishum like this hero or this icon.
Well, I think there are. I think internationally, I can speak about internationally because he really influenced me to get into films, and that's Stallone. Sylvester Stallone is someone I really look up to, and I've always told Sajid, you know, you have to introduce me to him because he's had the good fortune of working with him, and I'd love to meet him one day. And I think in India, there are a number of actors. I think from the old times, I think Dharmendra was absolutely fantastic. He was a man's man. And I think as recent as Akshay Kumar is a real khiladi and he's absolutely fantastic. So I think we've had some, Sunny Deol is absolutely outstanding.
I have to say Sunny Deol, yaar, he's something else only. Matlab, broken walls, jumped from 50 feet high and nothing happens to him. He's the guy. I think not only me but everyone in their childhood कभी ना कभी हम लोग ने सनी देओल को देखा. सनी पाजी का जो actual डिशुम है जो आता है, you actually feel कि वो मतलब आदमी उठता नहीं उठ जाता है genuinely.
Thank you.
Rohit, hi. Rohit, yeah. Varun is known for his, chocolate boy image. Was it a conscious decision on your part to not to show his romantic angle in the movie?
Actually, the film, it's a 36-hour story, It's like a 36-hour action thriller, the foundation of the film. So they actually don't even, if you've noticed Kabir and Junaid, they're driving together through the film. They don't even ask each other whether they have parents, whether they have, there's absolutely nothing besides the assignment that they talk of. So there's actually no room for romance. I don't see any scope for Junaid to break into a song suddenly because his one single-minded focus is to find the cricketer. We've shown him very, very involved in the case.
Hi Varun.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you? My question to you is, a lot of people, including John, have said that you are a perfect combination of Salman meets Govinda. How do you take that? What do you have to say about that?
I think Rohit has a good answer for that.
I think Varun's a perfect combination of both my parents.
Okay, and I have another question to Sajid sir. Sir, you have announced many franchise, like many sequels. There's Kick 2, there's Dishoom 2, then there's Baghi 2, and Houseful 4 in pipeline. So, and it has happened after the Houseful franchise. So, is it because that franchise has succeeded, motivated you to do this, or what is the reason for?
No, actually, when the film releases, within a week you come to know whether it's a franchise or not. When the characters are spoken about, when you meet people from the media, when you meet the fans of and now like Junaid and Kabir, it's not decided pre-hand. Like when Rohit was writing the film, it was not decided. So was Houseful, and so is Kick. So when you fall in love with those characters and you have people asking you, what's happening with Kabir and Junaid, what's happening with the dog, then you start thinking about that this needs an extension of this story. This story can go different places. It's an entertaining story, and it can take these two characters to some other level.
हेलो जॉन, आपसे सवाल है. आपकी जोड़ी हमेशा वरुण, अक्षय और अभिषेक के साथ पसंद की गई, तो हम ये माने कि ब्रोमांस में आप उस्ताद हैं, 2 हीरो वाली फिल्म में.
Bromance में.
हीरो को रोमांस करने में उस्ताद है ये.
How many heroines are there in the industry? I mean, but there are so many more heroes. तो उनके साथ ही मैं bromance करूँगा. But honestly, I think I'm very, मतलब not in the wrong way, but I'm very comfortable around men, and मुझे अच्छा लगता है because.
I'm just going to leave you right there,
Sounding like
boys.
Samir Ghazi.
Have your moment like, yes, a male
Samir
only.
Ghazi. नहीं, but I think I genuinely.
इसे लड़कियां बहुत पसंद करती है, लेकिन इसे लड़कियां बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है.
I just think it's bonding, and I get along very well with Abhishek, with Akshay, and with Varun. I really get along well.
Varun, what's up with your new look? You also tweeted a picture after getting a haircut. Is it a look for your film or something else?
No, it's for the Dream Team tour that I'm going for.
We're down to our last 2 questions. Make it count. Thanks.
साजिद सर, यहाँ
इस
पे
तरफ, इस तरफ.
इधर
हाँ जी सर.
मेरा क्वेश्चन आपसे है और रोहित सर से है. अगर आपको एक शब्द में कहा जाए कहने के लिए तो आप क्या कहोगे? डिशुम की सफलता का कारण क्या है? परिणीति और वरुण सर का किस, वरुण या फिर जॉन सर और जैकलिन?
मुझे लगता है सारी क्रेडिट वो किसके लिए है, नहीं सारी
पिक्चर तो बना ही नहीं हम लोग ने।
मे बी ब्रैडमैन
ब्रैडमैन का बहुत बड़ा हाथ है, वो बुलडॉग का, और वो इस वक्त इसी
उसके डेट्स नहीं है तो वो चला गया उसको,
क्योंकि वो आए थे इधर
शूटिंग के
लेकिन
लिए।
इतने कैमरास और फ्लैश बल्ब्स देख के वो डर गए।
Rohit, my question for you here.
Yes,
Here.
sir.
On the left.
Rohit, whose concept was it to get Akshay Kumar in that fashion? Because that is one of the highlights of the film, even though these people are dominating.
Yeah, no, it's that role was always in there, and the intent of that role was actually, besides on a surface level, it's just a comedy scene, but deep down that scene actually says a lot, because in our country, for some ridiculous notion, you always perceive a homosexual in a certain way and feel he's not as strong as a straight man. But across the world today, there are popular athletes also that are gay men, you know, and getting someone like Akshay Kumar only symbolizes that he's playing a homosexual in the film, but he takes the mickey out of both the cops, you know, who are two extremely tough and strong-looking men. And we've clearly shown that the homosexual is stronger than the two straight men. Longer, but the film was about eventually finding the cricketer, so they had to leave the pool party. 100%, it's a character that you miss, you know, that I completely agree, that it would have been a lot more fun, but then if we come back for another one, you'll see a lot more of Samir Ghazi.
Maybe you'll see less of us and more of him and the dog.
रोहित, अक्षय कुमार को ऐसा मतलब जनरली ये खबरें आ जाती हैं इस तरह के सरप्राइज के बारे में, लेकिन इस टाइम पे जब मीडिया इतना हावी है सारी चीज़ों में, फिर भी अक्षय कुमार की जो सरप्राइज था वो कैसे आपने छुपा के रखा?
That's actually all thanks to Sajid Bhai, because while overlooking the marketing, that was one conscious decision that Sajid Bhai took, that let this be a complete surprise for people when they come into the theater, you know, rather than unveiling all our cards before.
Hi, John. वरुण, मैं लतिकेश नवभारत न्यूज़पेपर से हूँ। मेरा सवाल ये है कि हाल के जो कई बड़े फिल्म स्टार्स हैं वो बायोपिक फिल्मों पे काम कर रहे हैं। हम सलमान की बात करें, आमिर की फिल्म आ रही है, तो इस तरह का कोई प्लान आपके दिमाग में है? और अगर कोई मौका मिला तो आप किस कैरेक्टर को, किस बड़े जो खिलाड़ी हों किसी भी स्ट्रीम के, उनको प्ले करना चाहेंगे? और दूसरा कि 2 फिल्में बड़ी रुस्तम के साथ ऋतिक रोशन की भी फिल्में आ रही हैं, तो सलमान ने रुस्तम की सिफारिश की है अपने फैंस से, तो आप भी कुछ कहना चाहते हैं अपने फैंस को इन दोनों फिल्मों के रिलीज़ को लेकर?
नहीं, मैं कहूँगा कि प्लीज़ जाके दोनों फिल्में देखिए, उससे भला ही होता है। एंड वी वांट फिल्म्स टू डू वेल इन दिस इंडस्ट्री। देयर इज नो पॉइंट कि हम लोग एक फिल्म अच्छा करेगी तो इसका ये मतलब नहीं कि दूसरी फिल्म को बुरा करना है। वी शुड होप एंड प्रे कि दोनों करें, क्योंकि हम सबकी रोजी रोटी उससे ही चलती है कि जब फिल्में चलते हैं तो हम लोग चलते हैं। एंड वे बायोपिक्स आर कंसर्न्ड, आई थिंक दे वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग एंड वेरी कूल। एंड राइट नाउ मेरे दिमाग में टॉप ऑफ माई हेड ऐसा कोई कैरेक्टर नहीं आ रहा है कि मैं किसका किरदार निभाऊँ, बट आई लाइक प्लेइंग रियल लाइफ कैरेक्टर्स। जैसे ABCD 2 में मैंने सुरेश का किरदार निभाया था, जो भी एक रियल कैरेक्टर था। सो मे बी कॉमन मैन हुज हीरोइक स्टोरी हैज़ नॉट बीन टोल्ड। जैसे एक कोई भी इंसान जिसने कुछ हीरोइक किया पर उसका जो स्टोरी है वो किसी ने अब तक दिखाया नहीं है, किसी को पता नहीं है, तो शायद वो भी बता दूँ तो इंटरेस्टिंग होगा। रघु का कैरेक्टर जो बदलापुर में था वो भी एक असली इंसान पे आधारित था। उनका नाम नहीं लिया हम लोगों ने, बट इट वाज ऑन अ रियल मैन हु वेंट थ्रू दैट, सो समथिंग लाइक दैट।
Well, I told Sajid I haven't signed on any film after Force 2. He's saying you're waiting in the slips. So I think perfect. इन्होंने जो कहा वो सही कहा है कि मैं slips में खड़ा हुआ भी, and I'm just waiting for something interesting. I don't know what's going to come my way, but like every actor, I think I'm hoping for a good script.
That's about the time we have, ladies and gentlemen. So sorry to interrupt you. The man in the yellow shirt. कितने सवाल पूछेंगे आप? Sir, रख दीजिए, sir, please.
पूछ लो सर, इनका नंबर चाहिए आपको।
बोलिए।
पूछो।
नंदू जी से सवाल था कि बारिश और बंद की वजह से अगर आंकड़ों की बात करें, भले यहाँ पर हम सक्सेस सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं, लेकिन 2 चीज़ें थी, एक तो बारिश और बंद, दोनों चीज़ों की वजह से किस तरीके से आप सोचते हैं कि बॉक्स ऑफिस कलेक्शन और ज़्यादा हो सकता था और इतना कम हुआ है या नुकसान हुआ है?
देखिए इस नंबर को हम क्वांटिफाई नहीं कर सकते बट डेफिनेटली बहुत ही बड़ा नुकसान हुआ है जो मंडे ट्यूसडे को स्पिल होके वो कलेक्शंस हमारे को आ गई हैं।
My question is for all you guys. क्या आपको लगता है सुल्तान के बॉक्स ऑफिस पे स्ट्रॉन्ग रहने के वजह से भी कलेक्शन में इफेक्ट पड़ा है डिशुम के? Because it was still going strong on the box office अभी तक.
No, not really. I think वो एक महीना चला गया.
नंदू के.
Yeah.
Every film has a space and they gets its collection, so ऐसे कोई बात नहीं है I think.
अगर if you want to know one reason, this I truly believe, जो हर फिल्म को इफेक्ट करती है वो हमारी फिल्म ही नहीं बट हर फिल्म, सुल्तान को, कबाली को, every film's collection has been affected by this and that's piracy. So
That's a personal question.
Are you saying I am not dressed very well? And
That's
all
a
of us are
personal
not dressed
question,
very
Varun.
well? Yeah. I borrowed shoes today. Yeah, he usually tells me before any press conference, he says, John, Varun. He says, don't wear chappals and come here. John, aaj nahi yaar, please. I say, okay.
Yeah, जाएंगी, I'm telling you. So just.
Can I ask the last
special,
question,
yeah.
please?
Definitely, we'll be planning to call some of our friends who've supported us during this film and do something. I think Sajid sir and Rohit are very reclusive. They don't get out much. So we'll and John to the most. So maybe we'll have to plan it in a gym if we want John to come. If we keep the success party in a gym, you'll come, John?
We'll keep it in my house. We'll keep it in my house. So I know at least
Your house is
will
the
be
gym.
there, but definitely 3 of us will be out there.
This one's for you, John. Hi. Congratulations to everybody first.
Thank you, ma'am.
You know, the new age actors like Varun, they're all-rounders. There's action, there's comic timing, there's romance, there's, you know, they're good in everything. And you have an edge over action. So if very non-biasedly, we are supposed to ask you, who will you pass the action baton to? You know, we know the equations of you have with Varun, he's like your little brother, but not, so be not partial.
Actually, I wouldn't want to pass it on at this point of time. Genuinely, I think I'll keep it and I'll own it and I'll enjoy it. I'll savor every moment of it. I've got
Someone will have to
forced
fight him till the end to get it back from
action,
him.
John.
Thank
We
you,
love
my love.
But
Thank
if,
you.
if you really had to pass on the baton, come on, one name.
I'll tell you a couple of, definitely I think Varun's, and I'm not saying this because he's here, but I've seen him. This is the first time he's done action. He's done a fantastic job. I think Tiger's lovely. And I think from the youngsters, I think these two boys are absolutely fantastic. But like I said, Akshay would never have passed that baton on because he's fantastic. I wouldn't do the same because I enjoy that space. And just as much as we enjoy it, I hope, like you're saying, I hope there's a whole lot of youngsters who really enjoy that space as well, as much as I do, and not get hurt.